hits the trends and decode some of the stories behind the charts. This is a crypto that's no stranger to danger. We're talking about XRP, ladies and gentlemen, XRP. And here we have XRP against the dollar on the 5-year, the long-term trend, which shows that in recent days, specifically this past month of November, the XRP US dollar has pumped significantly, showing major gains of about 500% or more. So what does this mean in the larger picture? When we step back and zoom out, we see that on this 5-year time frame, XRP's performance tells a more complex story. So you see a lot of ups and downs here. So this is an incredible journey XRP has been on. From humble beginnings here in 2018 as a, payment solution that got started. There was this major 2018 bull run here that happened, and then a major fallout that followed, including years of consolidation. Here we're looking at almost a 5-year consolidation phase. There was, of course, a major SEC lawsuit and legal battles causing market turbulence throughout this time. And then, rather remarkably, a recent resurgence into this spotlighted $2.73 mark for the first time since these glory days. And the question everyone's wondering is, can this rally last? Can we push XRP back up this elusive $3 mark and get back to that point that many people have been waiting for? This is more than a price story. It is about adoption. It's about innovation. It's about the crypto Game of Thrones and the ever-changing waters of regulation. So grab your charts, your coffee, your curiosity. We're going to be diving deep into the patterns, the possibilities, the numbers. Let's just get right into it, people. This is the Future Hour. And this is XRP. So let's jump here. Look on that 5-day frame. Yes. As I was saying earlier, that 5-day, very strong. This is a meteoric rise. What are the implications? Well, before we get into that, maybe we could start with the elephant in the room, the SEC lawsuit, and what it means that the role of SEC Chair Gary Gensler will be replaced coming up. We don't know who will replace him yet, but this whole Gary Gensler saga has been pivotal in shaping not only XRP's price action, but that of all of cryptocurrency, and it has a major impact also on cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. So let's get right into it. What is this lawsuit? The SEC filed this lawsuit back in December 2020, I believe, alleging that XRP was being sold as a unregistered security. And before we get into that, quick disclaimer, being an attorney myself, nothing in this should be considered financial advice, of course, or legal advice, or really any other type of advice. We're just analyzing charts and seeing, what the probabilities are. And no probability could possibly be perfect or should be used to make any decision. You should always do your own research, please. This applies to all of the episodes coming out here at the Future Hour. Please do your own research. So, this lawsuit, XRP versus Ripple Labs, or I should say Ripple Labs versus XRP, sent shockwaves throughout the crypto world, and XRP's price plummeted before this. If you look at the 6-month, for example, we were hovering less than 50 cents, and XRP was arguing here that it was not a security. The SEC was trying to claim it was a security so it could get some jurisdictional power over this category. Unlike traditional securities, XRP argued that its utility lies in the fact that it facilitates fast and cost-effective cross-border payments. And this is not like a traditional security. Rather, this should be considered more of a commodity and not be falling into the jurisdiction of the SEC. Ripple also pointed out that the SEC had failed to provide clear guidelines. This is something that many in the crypto industry were saying, including Coinbase, including many other players, that the SEC has not provided clear guidelines, has not provided rules basically to come in and do things by the book. Instead, they've created confusion in the industry. Ripple cited examples of how XRP was treated poorly and had not been classified as a security in any case. In 2023, Ripple scored a partial victory where a federal judge ruled that sales on secondary markets such as exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, and such did not constitute securities transactions. So this decision basically revived XRP and sparked quite a significant price rally. You can see that here where it started in 2023-ish. And it created a lot of confidence amongst XRP supporters and the wider market. It went through a little bit more consolidation here before finally we took off in November after the election. Gary Gensler had a major role in all of this. The SEC, you got to realize, took a notoriously aggressive stand against cryptocurrency, and Gensler, who himself actually had a background in blockchain and crypto from his time teaching at MIT, said that the majority of crypto tokens are securities and should be subject to existing securities law. He was so unclear that he actually couldn't clarify whether even Ethereum was a security, and his tenure drew sharp criticism from industry leaders and lawmakers even, who accused him of regulatory overreach, stifling innovation, unequal application of the law, improper targeting of companies, and many other questions which persist about why some cryptocurrencies appear to have received more favorable treatment in how the SEC approached this issue. So what's next for XRP? The legal battle isn't over. The outcome could set a landmark precedent for the crypto industry, but we have to wait and see how the new director to be appointed will handle this issue. So very interesting there what happened with XRP. This does continue to be one of the most discussed assets in the crypto space, and recently making a lot of movement. There's been major momentum in November, where we saw a significant price increase, largely fueled about what this really means, what we discussed about this regulatory clarity, what this new administration is going to look like and approach, how this issue will continue. So XRP reached approximately $2.85. This is major momentum, of course, making it the third most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap. And many people wonder if XRP might even reclaim its spot as the second most valuable cryptocurrency. So this is of course a major resurgence, and it reflects growing optimism surrounding Ripple's legal and strategic positions. This market sentiment, is good, but everyone's wondering, can it break this $3 mark, which represents a psychological milestone for XRP? So we have to just wait and see. This lawsuit's not still fully resolved. Any unfavorable developments could influence this chart. There's been volatility in the crypto market. We could see a correction here, dropping back to support, maybe around the $2 level, or even further down, $1.80 level. So volatility in the crypto market could lead to corrections, and also macroeconomic conditions could shift. There's geopolitical tension, there's new leadership coming in across the world. So the ability of XRP to recover from these issues remains questionable should they occur. While this path is fraught with challenges, we have to understand that the momentum for XRP right now is undeniable. It does offer a promising outlook as it potentially eyes new time highs. But do your own research, exercise caution, conduct thorough research, as crypto is inherently volatile, so many times strategies can be employed to address that volatility. I suggest you look into them. XRP's fascinating story, and this has been another episode of this Future Hour.